Hello everyone, my name is Dee and welcome to Books and Quirks. Today is Friday, so I thought I'd do a Friday Reads for you. So I'm going to show you all of the books that I'm currently reading and will be reading this weekend. I am still in the middle of TBR Takedown, so I'm in the middle of quite a few books and I really do hope to finish these all this weekend. So the first one that I'm reading was not originally part of my TBR Takedown TBR, but it's a nonfiction, and I actually had a friend of mine recommend this, so I went to the library and checked it out, and it is The 4-Hour Workweek, and I've only read a little bit of it, and it's interesting. It's just, it seems more of a self-help book on how to get your life together and have less of a demanding schedule and be able to focus on things that you want to do as you get older and wanting to work less basically and live more. So I don't know if this will be any good. I've only read a little bit of it, but my friend recommended it, and I think because it's nonfiction, I'll just read a little bit each day until I get through it. So this is the only one of this weekend that I will probably not be finishing, but I will read a little bit of it. Okay, so the next one that I am almost finished of, I only have 100 pages left, and that is The Fourth Wish by Lindsay Rebar. I spoke about this in my TBR Takedown video, and I'm really enjoying this. This is the second installment of the Art of Wishing duology. And look at my cute little bookmark. I love it. It's a little princess. Okay, the next one that I have is The Infinite Sea by Rick Yancey. I forgot the author. I have the dust jacket off of it because, again, I'm currently reading this. I'm about halfway through. This is the sequel to the Fifth Wave, and I am really enjoying it. It's a little bit slower than the Fifth Wave, which I've heard other people say, so it's not surprising. So I read a little bit, then I pick up The Fourth Wish or The 4-Hour Workweek, and then I go back to it a little bit later in the day. So I'm halfway through, and hopefully it picks up a little bit more so that it's more of a page turner. And the last book, I haven't yet started it, but I think I'm going to start it tomorrow on Saturday, and it's the last book I have to finish for the TBR that I made for TBR Takedown, and that is The Rose and the Dagger. I don't really need to explain this book anymore because I've explained it, I think, in a couple of videos, my June TBR and my TBR Takedown video. But I am really excited, and once I do finish it, I'll probably do a full video on the duology, The Wrath and the Dawn and The Rose and the Dagger. I hear that everyone's enjoying it, so I am really excited. So there you have it. This was a really quick video, but I just wanted to show you all of the books that I'll be reading this weekend, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!